welcome to the 16 o'clock news at 10. Today's forecast is very mild to freezing weather and snow. It's cold. 0 below. My camera guy Billy's freezing. And if it could be any colder, we would die. Whoa, it's slippery out here.
As you can see, snowplows are coming to our streets. And the homeless are actually moving on to...
News, guys.
Here's the local resident, Bill Murray, to tell us his story about the snow. Hello, sir.
Hi, how you doing?
How do you think the snow is?
Wait, we got about 4 inches in about an hour. And it's slowing down a little bit. It's like whiteout conditions. I've never seen anything like it before.
Would you rather shovel your driveway or have a plower do it for $100?
I'd rather do it myself.
Even if it's cold?
What's that man doing with that camera? Get that camera out of my face. I don't like taking camera pictures.
Okay, thank you, sir. Come, everyone.
Guy hates cameras. He keeps on plowing it at me. Stop it!
Get out of here, you people. Get off my property. Get off my property.
Come on!
Get out of here.
Be a man.
Okay, back to the news.
It's very cold. I suggest if you have younger children to wear 3 or 2 sweaters. We're in a state of emergency, so please, drive safely if you have to go to work and everything. And, here's the local plower going by right now. Oh, sir. Let's head back to the plower and see what he's up to again. Sir, if you'd like to interview or go out here, we already viewed you, but if you'd like to do it again.
Yeah, what can I do for y'all? Well, you can see by the stairs, I just done it, and it's already got snow all over them already, miss.
He's done it.
Can that camera pick up the snow falling? Because it's coming down light, but it's coming down really fast. Look at it, look, I just did this, and it's already got...
Back now live in the TV 22 studios. We now have at least 6 inches of snow on the ground. Today's Pet Corner is sponsored by Dicker Doodle Farms. Anyone want to adopt a Jack Russell who thinks he's a cat? Reporting from the studios of TV 22 News, thank you and have a good night from Olivia Googleson.
Hey, jingity-jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jingity-jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 da. Santa's got a little friend, his name is Dominic. The cutest little donkey, you never see him kick. When Santa visits his paisans with Dominic, he'll be, because the reindeer cannot climb the hills of Italy. Hey, jingity-jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jingity-jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 da. Jingle bells around his feet and presents on the sled. Hey, look at the Mayor's Derby on top of Dominic's head. A pair of shoes for Louis and a dress for Josephine. The The label on the inside says they're made in Brooklyn. Hey, jingity-jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jingity-jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Children sing and clap their hands, and Dominic starts to dance. They talk Italian to him, and he even understands. Kumaras and kumbaras do they dance ad arandel. When Santa Nicola comes to town and brings Ujucharilla, hey, jingity-jing, it's Dominic the donkey. Jingity-jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, Dominic, what another dollar?